Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to register and use a Visa gift card. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So the process is different for a different type of Visa gift card you use. Like your Visa gift card could be of a Target gift card or a Walmart Visa gift card or an Amazon Visa gift card. Depends on it, but the process is same. For you to use the Visa gift card online, you need to register your zip code. And to register your zip code, if you have a physical copy of it, you can just flip it over and then read what's written in the behind of the card, and there should be a website link given over there. You can enter the website link on your browser and go to the page and then register your Visa gift card and its zip code, because on some website when you're buying something you need to enter a zip code or your billing address. So basically, if you want to use a Visa gift card, you need to register the zip code on the card depending on which company's card you're using. Like for Walmart, you can go to walmart.com, and for Target, you can go to target.com to register the zip code of the card. So that basically it depends on the company or depends on the type of card you're using. Just remember, you need to register a zip code, then you can use the card online. That's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.